Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send high-quality images on WhatsApp web from your PC using the latest update. If you've ever sent photos through WhatsApp and noticed that they lose quality, don't worry, there's an easy way to send them in full resolution. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC by going to web.whatsapp.com. Once you're logged in and your chats are loaded, navigate to the chat where you want to send the photo. Next, look for the plus icon located in the bottom left corner of the chat window, just next to the text input field. Click on this plus icon to open the attachment options. From the menu that appears, select Photos and Videos. This option will allow you to choose and send images directly from your computer. Once you click Photos and Videos, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. Now, browse through your files and find the high-quality image you want to send. Once you've found the photo, click on it to select it. After selecting the image, click Open. This will attach the photo to your message, and you'll see a preview of it in the chat window. At this point, to ensure the image is sent in its original quality, click OK in the preview window. This confirms that you want to send the image as it is, without any automatic compression. Finally, click Send, and your high-quality image will be sent to the recipient in its full resolution. It's that simple. And that's it. You've just learned how to send high-quality images on WhatsApp web from your PC. By following these steps, you can make sure your photos stay sharp and clear without losing any detail during the upload process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.